how to create an online course and stay organized. Hi, I'm Lucy Griffiths and I have created a ton of digital courses. So I've learned a thing or two about staying organized and being really disorganized as well. So I'm going to walk you through some of the steps that I've learned along the way. Let's dive in and have a look.
When it comes to actually planning out your course and staying organized, I always recommend starting with the end in mind. So knowing when you want to launch and work backwards from that. So reverse engineer when you want to launch, when you have that deadline. It might be that you say, okay, I'm going to launch in September because I'll have done it after the school holidays, or I'm going to launch in January because I'm going to work on it all through kind of November, maybe some of December, and then I'm going to launch in January after Christmas. So know whenever you're going to launch, whatever period of time that may be, and then work backwards from that, and then work out, do I have the capability to work on this project and allow myself an hour a day or 4 hours at a weekend or whatever it is that is going to help you to get it done? So, if you are busy, if you are working full time, you can still find the hours to create your course. Because remember, the end goal with creating a course is actually to get it done. So, less procrastination, more doing, more implementation, more action to get it done, so that then you can focus on that dream of what you really want to achieve in your life. You can have that freedom, that flexibility you want, but you need to get it done. So that means holding yourself accountable and getting it done. If you need support to actually keep yourself on track and get that accountability, then I can absolutely help you with that. But whatever way you find that, you need to get it done in order to build this life that you so dream of. And rather than kind of sitting there thinking, oh, I'd really like to do this, but I'll do it when, actually having that end date in mind and reverse engineering gives you that accountability to get it done and stay on track.
When it comes to being organized with your digital course, probably one of the key things you need to work out is actually map out your timeline and work out exactly when you want to launch your course, and then work backwards from there to see if it's actually possible to do everything in your timeline and juggle your day job and also maybe other family commitments you may have. Because I know, having created courses during homeschooling, that sometimes that can be really incredibly challenging. So let's dive in and have a look.
One of the main ways that I stay organized when it comes to actually working on my courses is using some software so I can have that kind of project management all in place. And so that really gives me, so I know where everything is. I know all of those different components, because essentially it's a jigsaw puzzle and you're fitting all of those different things together. And so we use ClickUp so that I can communicate with my team, different members of my team, so that we all know exactly where everything is, and everyone can log in, see what's going on, and track this is where it is, and see the whole process. And that's really important, to have a central hub for organizing everything. Now, you can do that on whatever platform. It could be Asana, it could be Trello, it could be Google Docs. I personally like ClickUp because it basically gives me that I can see where everything is, and it kind of keeps me organized and on track. But I find it less complicated. It's more intuitive than Asana. But you have to work out what works for you. I personally really like ClickUp. So use whatever software works best for you and your team. I'm one of these people who, I'm not great on all these kind of, whether it's ClickUp or Asana. So my team tends to manage me, but I can get my head round ClickUp. So the final thing that I would say that's really important is actually where you're going to host your video. So obviously you're going to put your video onto whatever course creation platform or your website, wherever you're actually hosting your course. But in the interim, having video on your laptop, on your phone, can actually clog up everything in your system and really make it time consuming. So make sure that you're using something like Dropbox so that you can take all of that memory that you're using up, all of that data, and store it in the cloud. So use cloud software. I use Dropbox. I also use Google, so you could use either of those or the Amazon service, but use something to take the video data off your laptop so your laptop will work properly, the machine will function properly without being clogged up, and you can get on with the business of creating and get to the videos when you need them. And so you can actually do the editing, do whatever you need to do without it stressing you out.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking about creating more passive income for your business, then I have a great freebie. Click on the link below to check out. And also, if you're thinking about creating a digital course, then make sure you do my quiz that can help you work out if a digital course is right for your business. If you like this video, I would love you to subscribe. Please click on that link below to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye bye.